Hi, in this problem, we're going to graph the line 4x minus 3y equals negative 12 using its slope and y-intercept. But in order to do that, we need to put it into slope-intercept form. So we're going to move the x to the right-hand side. That means we need to subtract 4x over. It is subtraction because it was a positive 4x. Now that leaves us with negative 3y equals negative 4x minus 12. Notice that it's a negative 3y because the original problem had minus 3y in it. That means in order to get the y by itself, we need to divide by negative 3. Watch your signs when you're doing these. When you divide through by negative 3, the left side's now just y. The right side, we now have negative 4 over negative 3 is positive 4/3 times x. And then because it was a minus 12, but divided by negative 3, those negatives cancel and we now have a positive 4. So we now know that our slope is 4/3, that number in front of the x, and our y-intercept is at 4. So we start by plotting our y-intercept. That means we'll count up from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives us our first point. Then from there, we know that our slope is 4/3. So that means we need to count from our y-intercept up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 3, 1, 2, 3. We now have our second point, and we're going to be able to connect these two dots with our straight line and put it in both directions. And right there is our graph of the line 4x minus 3y equals negative 12.